Hello guys, welcome to Cryptus Cybersecurity YouTube channel. Today we will learn about the brute forcing tool, a very popular brute forcing tool that most of the hackers use, Hydra. So Hydra is a brute forcing tool that has multiple options to brute force the attack, and it has a very good success rate, and it is a very powerful tool. So let's start without any delay. So we will be attacking on our favorite machine, that is meta exploitable, as you can see. So Hydra has many options. To view all the options, we will just type Hydra dash H to get into the help menu. Here you can read the options and select the option that you like the most. So now I will do a Nmap scan on a target that is meta exploitable, and it will. Now I have received the open port list. So to see the open port, we will just do the nmap reset. Now, what is the criteria of giving the Hydra command? So we will just simply type. First, we have to clear the screen. We will simply type Hydra. Then we will type the port in which we want to attack. As you can see, FTP port was open, and then we will see what are the options here. So I will explain you the options one by one. So we have given capital P. So capital P is we give is to give a file. So capital P is for password, and to give a file to this capital P. If we know the password, we will simply give small p and the password name. But we don't know the password, and I have made a small word list to get the result in small amount of time. So there are 7 passwords that are saved in it. So we will simply see that how we can give the word list. So write capital P, and here you can see that this is small l and MSF admin. As we know that MSF admin is a username of meta exploitable. So we will simply give MSF admin with small l. Small l is used to give the login if we know the login. If we want to give the file, then we will use capital L. So we will see that if we will break the password of or not. Now it has started attacking, and as you can see, we have successfully cracked the machine for its open port. So the ID is MSF admin, and the password is also MSS admin. Now, what if we don't know the login? Now, we will simply do the login, and we will again give a word list. So, I am giving the same word list, and it has 2 username and password that is used to log into Meta Exploitable. So let's hit enter, and as you can see, it has searched a new password and username, that is user, and MFS admin is still there. So it has successfully completed its attack on the two and found the 2 valid password. Now what if we know the password and not the login? So we will simply type this, and as we can see that user is also a password. So we will hit enter, and as you can see, it has searched, it has successfully completed its task and found a login for this password. Now we can even give it many different usernames, or we can give one more option. E is for to give password option. What if we want to tie up login as password? Then we will give S. If we want to see without any password or empty password or null password, then we will give N. And if we want to reverse the login and password, then we will give R. So you can experiment with these things. Now, if we want to see the process, so we will simply type V. V is for the process, and here we will give the pass. So we have given both the Word file, and I will give capital P as it is a text file or a file. So we will, as you can see, we will getting a verbose look. So it will tell us what all things the Hydra is doing. So we only have 7 passwords, so it won't make a huge difference. But it is also a great way to see what password the Hydra is trying. So now we will give the number of tries. We only have 7 passwords, so the default tries are 16. But if you want to increase the tries, we can give -t and then the tries number. And what if we want to stop at the first match? So as you can see, we were given two passwords and credentials. Sorry, two credentials we were given. Now what if we use the command -f? So we will see. It has found the first username, login and password, and it has stopped there. It stopped there and completed its research and returned with the password. It didn't try to find the second password as we have given the capital O, sorry, -f to stop at the first try. So this is all about Hydra tool. Now we will see that if the tool did the research or gave us the wrong password. So I will type user. As you can see, we are successfully logged into the meta exploitable machine, and now we will see MSF admin, MSF admin, and we can see that we have successfully logged into the machine. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.